Hey my friends, this is Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about 3 reasons why most people are broke right now. If you understand this video, you're going to understand exactly what changes you need to make and how you can make a difference in this world. So please listen up. The first reason why most people are broke is because they do minimum work and expect maximum pay. There's been so many times where I've observed people that are so ready to get off of the job than they are willing to get into the job. And that's a big problem in our society because half-heartedness is not the way to success. Look, I don't care if you don't like your job. The fact is that the job needs to get done. If you take your job seriously by doing the best that you can while studying for the promotion that you want, I promise you, you're going to reach the next level of your life. You see, we live in a world where lazy people do a little bit of work and they think they should be winning. But winners do a whole bunch of work and they still think that they're lazy. My friends, you gotta make a change. Do it the other way around. Instead of doing minimum work and expecting maximum pay, you need to be doing maximum work and expecting minimal pay. Now obviously I'm saying this in a rhetorical way because I would never want you to do maximum work and expect minimal pay. But what I do request you to do is to give your best effort. Don't ever quit on your dreams. Focus on what you need to do, and I promise you all the goals that you want will eventually come to you. The second reason why most people are broke is because they haven't learned how to solve bigger problems. Look, my friends, there's so many people that consign themselves to smaller tasks when they should be taking on bigger ones. Look, my friends, if you want to become successful in this world, you have to understand that the work you're doing right now can eventually become greater than it is. And if you continually believe that you cannot improve yourself, then you won't. But if you know that greatness is before you, then you will. Many years ago, I made a big decision to relinquish the small things that were getting in my way. For instance, there's so many things that needed to be delegated that I knew I shouldn't be doing. I shouldn't be taking out the trash. I shouldn't be doing dishes. I shouldn't be mowing the lawn. I shouldn't be cutting up and preparing my own food. All of those activities have now been delegated. Now, if I ever want to do those things, I don't have to do it, but I choose to do it. My friends, I want you to delegate the smaller responsibilities so you can work on the bigger ones and get closer to your purpose. If you want to become wealthy, you need to ask yourself this question. What are the bigger problems that I need to solve in society? Figure out what your talents are, your gifts, your skills, your abilities, and put them to use so that other people can be benefited by what you have to offer. And the third reason why most people stay broke is because they don't have any financial education. Look, financial education is never taught in school. Even though we should learn about credit, we should learn about checks, we should learn about cryptocurrencies and stocks and real estate and so many different ways to build wealth, we never will. And so what we need to do is to read the books, ask the questions, get the mentorship on the subjects that we don't know so we can figure out what we need to do in order to grow. I remember taking my whole entire 20s learning about things that I should have learned in my teenage years. I had to learn about the credit system. I had to learn about the economy. I had to learn about my own personal philosophy. Those things will never be taught in school. They'll never be taught at church. They'll never be taught in your home. Those are the things that you need to learn on your own. So what I want you to do is to make a plan in a short term. What are you going to do in the next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 1 year? And then make a plan for the long term. What do you want in 5 years, 10 years? How much money do you actually need? What are your expenses? What are your investments? What kind of insurances are necessary? Once you understand the things you desire, you'll have everything to build the wealth that you require. So there you go, my friends. I just shared with you 3 reasons why most people are broke. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification button, and share this video with someone else who really needs it. Again, this is Aldie. If you have any questions, please write me an email at info@danielaldie.com. Guys, please type yes in the comment section below if this video really helped you. Again, this is Aldie. I look forward to your success, I look forward to your prosperity, and I look forward to everything you're going to do in humanity. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.